Alright, so this is the Doom tier, just like I promised you guys. So first off, we're starting with the zombie. I go it on weak. And then we have where's the imp? The imp. This guy is literally pathetic. He dies one shot to everything. Only reason he's good is because he's just chainsaw. Alright. Soldier. Wait, no, mecha zombie. It's strong. It's like a zombie, but mechanical. All right, now we got the soldier. It's weak like the zombie, but not as weak as the imp. Gargoyle. Going with this one. This one, same as the imp. That is one shot. All right, on to the heavy demons. Hell Knight. I would put the Hell Knight as a moderate, not as strong as the Cyber Imp. Still, same for the Arachnotron. Cackle Demon, pathetic. Just a sticky bomb to his mouth, bro dies. All right, next one. I forgot what this guy's name is. I think Carcass. Moderate, as it's all the three brothers. Alright. Pinky and Spectre. Well, just a blood punch and you're dead. So like for the Pinky is the cousin of I think brother. No, Pinky's like the Spectre. Spectre's invisible and I hate that. Alright, the Mancubus. All you need to do is take off both his... What's it called? You need to take off his grenade launchers and then that just disable it. No, his flamethrowers. Strong. Cyber Mancubus. Bro, I hate this guy. He literally kills me every single time. The only reason I can kill him because I have the BFG. Alright. Now the Maker Drone. Free loot. Just a headshot. Alright. There's these others I need to do. The UAC, the SEAL soldier. As its counterpart, soldier, it's weak. Alright. So now we have a little bit more. Alright. Dread Knight. This is supposed to be a Hell Knight, but infused with something. So yeah, moderate. This guy, the Prowler. Strong. Can't kill me, it's strong. The Revenant, just take off both its thing and he goes melee. Moderate. Alright, and the Whiplash. I hate this thing so much. Very strong. Alright. I cannot even say anything about that. It's just a head. Any weapon will kill it instantly. Pain Elemental. It's in the name. It's pain. Alright, now we're here with the super heavies and bosses. So yeah, the first boss you see is the Marauder. This guy goes very strong. Alright. Alright, the Archville, literally a run under. The Dread Knight, no, the Baron of Hell, not like a run under, but still. Like, Tyrant or Cyber Demon, very strong. Alright. The Doom Hunter, very strong. Gladiator, run under. Alright, let's see. Pawn Maker, pathetic, so easy to kill. the icon of sin. Oh, excuse me, I sneezed. Run under hard. So yeah, this is my tier list. You might hear ringing in the background. That's not aesthetic or anything. It's just because it's raining here in Mexico. Alright, goodbye everybody. See you next time.